Just love the look of this.
I hope you can see the collection here in the mirror. Speed breakers. Over action. Put. Cute boy Pranav on the R90. The classic.
First of all, there's no seat. Entrance door.
Oh. On the set అయింది.
Good morning, guys. Just had to be woken up by friends for the first time because I overslept. Some of the alarm didn't work. Heading for a short ride because if we have a delivery, we should do some breakfast rides, right? And today the lineup's gonna be crazy. So stay tuned. The collection of bikes today: Street Fighter, Agusta 4 of Arun, my Pikes Peak, the Diavel, the R90, the Panigale, and a Himalayan. Just love the look of this.
Okay, I hope you can see the collection here in the mirror and the sun in the background. Today the collection is amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at Chaitanya. His new bike excitement is so high, he's already leaving the group. Chaitanya looking good. Speed breakers, big ones. Over action. Put. కానీ ఎంపీ చాలా అగ్రెసివ్ తెలుసా చైతన్య. నీ పానిగాలే అగ్రెసివ్ అనుకున్నావు కానీ దాని మీద ఇట్స్ ఎట్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ లెవెల్. ద రైడింగ్ పోస్చర్ ఇస్ సో aggressive. It's a track bike basically. Cute boy Pranav on the R90, the classic.
Okay, that's my trusted Pikes Peak. Looks like some of the switching is happening. Sriman's getting on Arun's MV. I hope your back, your body posture and all is fine.
I hope.
Because that's the most aggressive of all. Your first time on a Ducati V4?
Yes.
First time
on a V4, and then also this is a V4S.
V4S. So what was the last Ducati you rode?
My Hypermotard.
Hypermotard or my Multi? Those are the only two, na?
Yes.
So this is an entirely different beast. And we have Chaitanya's Panigale, but where is the rider? What happened?
I'm a simple guy.
He got sick of the riding posture, so he wanted something more relaxed.
I want others to enjoy it, bro. Yes. I have humanity.
But you are not human. When edutuna? Diavel nadu.
Chalo. First of all, there's no seat. Entrance door.
Chalo.
Hey, sound అయితే బాగుంది ఎంవి. ఓ స్వీట్. ఎలా ఉందిరా చైతన్య? ఓ that MV Agusta sounds good. On the set అయింది. Yeah, that's on the MV. ఇక్కరా వాడు ఆతృత వీడియో తీస్తారా ఆగ్రా అంటే వెళ్ళిపోతుండు. Chaitanya took off on the Himalayan as if it's a Panigale. Sweet. అరే మళ్ళీ రోడ్డు మీద లేదు, అంత ఇక్కడ చూడు. ఫాగ్ వాజ్ ఓన్లీ దేర్, నాట్ హియర్. One final switch before we hit the main route.
You want to take the MV, then give him the Multi and I'll ride the Diavel for a bit.
You're riding the workout bike?
I need to first open up my own bike. You have not finished the run-in.
Just got the delivery, no?
3 days ago, eppudu 31st.
We have to keep a mind of the fuel also. Ento fuel range any kilometer lane since you refueled?
124 total.
Oh, another 30 we might have to stop for fuel on this. On that?
I have no idea. It doesn't have a fuel gauge. They're all no gauge bikes.
ఎలా ఉందమ్మా?
అది రామో రాకెట్ లాగా అది అది వెళ్తున్నది తెలుస్తలేదురా. చిన్న రాకెట్ లాగా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
ఎవరు? చలో నేను ముందు పోతున్నా. వింటున్నా. I have no words. This is so aggressive. I can see all the sparkles on the road shine, and you need to be so focused on this because this is one of the most aggressive sports bikes one can ride. And there's some undulations here. Not the ideal road for an MV, but still, just the feel of that inline 4 and that sweet sound, man. That is the riding posture on the track on this. I am intentionally holding the throttle because there is so much of room left to push this bike, but I can't do justice on this road. పాపం బండి కొన్నాడు మాత్రం బండి చేయట్లే. This is way more comfortable than the MV. Much more easier, more usable. I like the MV sound, but if I want a sports bike that I want to ride regularly, then still the Panigale. If this is so different than that MV, imagine the new Panigale is going to be more comfortable than this one. That does look good, sound good, has a lot of performance in hand, like you can't utilize that on regular roads. But there is a nice charm to this in terms of just the usability compared to that. అరే ఆడి సైడ్ స్టాండ్ లేకుండా బండి అదా బండి స్విచ్ చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోదాం.
I think the total ride distance today would be roughly 250 kilometers. That's the longest breakfast ride I did in a long time. But I thoroughly enjoyed it because I got to experience a really wide variety of motorcycles. We had a naked, sports tourer, sports bikes, 2 sports bikes, an ADV in Himalayan, and power cruiser, a classic like R90. So we had the utmost variety to experience. We have Arun with the MV, the most aggressive bike in the lineup. After riding it for 15-20 minutes, I was like, I need something more calmer. Like my multi, where I can do 200, but still it feels comfortable doing it.
Like a couch.
Yeah. But how did you enjoy the ride? You had experienced all the bikes almost.
I love this stretch of road. So whenever we are here, I know I can just ride peacefully because it's barricaded on both sides. Today I got to ride the Street Fighter V4S, the Panigale V4S, the Diahuil V4S.
V4, just the V4.
Yeah, Diahuil is just the V4. So definitely the Street Fighter needs a windscreen of some sort.
Yeah.
Because it feels as aggressive as a Panigale in terms of the engine view and the feel. But you feel that it lacks that windscreen, so after 140 the wind blast is just crazy. But Panigale was just very rock solid bike. Like going from the MV to the Panigale felt like I'm going into from a super sports into a naked. A lot more comfortable.
Yeah.
Even the seating, cushioning, everything is very nice. So the Panigale actually felt really sorted.
Okay.
Even though this is supposed to be the more hardcore.
One thing I didn't know that he also told me was the suspension felt much better than other bikes.
And it feels solid. It's not just about being plush. Like it's still, I mean, as much as it soaks up the bumps and everything, you still feel that there is good control on the corners and all. Of course, I love my MV for the way it is, but the MV is like on it. Like constantly.
It sounded the best in the entire lineup.
Well, it's the only one with the aftermarket. So
okay.
it's that and the multi. These are the only 2 bikes with aftermarket.
No, not in the multi. Multi is stock Acra.
But it's still an Acra.
Yeah, Acra branding, yeah.
Yeah, good fun today. Weather was perfect.
Yeah.
Although I think Sriman's hands froze.
Hands froze and MV Agusta You need some special skills to ride it.
So that's why he feels comfortable, na?
Your knees are touching your elbows. Like that.
He hasn't done a track day, so
Oh,
that's why the riding posture.
He was riding slowly, which is the sensible thing to do anytime on green bike.
I'm not used to a super sport personally.
Now this is an extreme super sport riding.
Extreme, yeah. So you had DFL, you had Panigale, you had the MV, you had the Multi today. 4 bikes, no?
I
Himalayan.
started from this.
Okay.
This. First it about last ki DIY straight in.
But hope you had fun.
Yeah, nice fun. Only thing is too cold today.
Too cold.
Not healthy.
We are complaining it's maybe too warm. Aditya, you had a lovely luck today with fuel, tires,
All the line
all the bikes, puncture. Why? Arun, any reason why only he gets the lucky?
It all started with his
Yeah. So he got a free. No. Okay.
on a 300cc bike.
6 lakhs, R3. R3, he got an R3. MTO3. What bike did you enjoy the most? Street Fighter? He was looking for a KTM 3090, if I'm not wrong. Do you booked it? So any change?
Wait in December only.
Okay.
And my friends in Bangalore and Pune, they are getting deliveries. The Hyderabad guy like, sir, you first make the showroom,
Showroom open ही नहीं है.
then we'll give you the bike.
Take it from Bangalore only.
I'm like, क्या करूँ?
We went about
अभी
180.
तेरा बाइक आ रहा है. I'm like, तू शोरूम बनना, मैं कहीं और से बाइक ले लेता हूँ.
The Super Duke or the 80%? Super Duke. Super Duke.
I am a naked man.
That's
Street Fighter is.
that's the most aggressive naked.
Yeah, I would probably recommend the Street Fighter over the.
Thanks, Ra.
But I haven't ridden this.
Referral bonus.
What did you like? In other countries, I think KTM is like on par with all of these.
Yeah,
brands, right?
यहाँ पे चपरी बनाने जब पंचर करा रहे थे, how many times did people finger the bike and
Arey, there was one guy who was just turning the key on and seeing the dash. I said, don't touch, ask me.
then he like मैं देख रहा हूँ, मतलब आँख से देख रहे हैं, आँख से देख रहे हैं.
I didn't want to get into a fight, man.
let everybody have fun with their toys.
You had fun, no? That's enough.